gotta use those.
Much better.
What was that?
That's
7?
7?
Yeah. 7? Alright, come on.
Don't let him tell you up. That's
7.
Okay, it's not losing.
Yeah, we're not. Connor, you're off to a good start.
Alright, that's my luck.
No, it's 12.
Oh, I'll go first.
Ooh, huge bummer.
Great.
Had a good start.
Man, look at that.
Can we start?
Yeah, you good. They're streaming.
Oh, that's my luck right there. Stand by, man.
Yeah.
Normal song?
Yeah.
Already playing perfectly. Love to see it. Love to see it.
Fact. Feels like a lot. That's kind of a bummer.
I see, I like it.
It's because you're so dastardly.
Did you say dastardly?
Yeah, you did.
That's a big word.
Yeah, it was.
I didn't think about how big that word was. You're gonna fuck up
We
your
didn't
brain.
get asked. See, I'm gonna fuck it up.
Thinking about how handsome you are now.
Give me 1 second.
That was a really good play, Ryan. Really good. I like how you slammed Brad.
There's like branded combos going on. Don't let him intimidate you, Joe. Don't let him intimidate you. Don't let him bully you, son. Don't let him bully you, son.
I don't know. Basic. After basic, nothing can scare me. Except not having Ash for brand fusion. That's scary.
Hey, Evan, can you check the channel to see what that stream looks like? What's that?
Yeah.
Check the channel to see what that stream looks like.
1,
Is it
2,
on?
3.
Yep.
YouTube?
Yeah, it's on the channel. It's on the channel stream. The old Duelist Cipher. Yeah. Yo, I'm at some fans. It's crazy. Subscribe. That's really good. Why is that like
Yo,
table
Starling. Oh, that's
4,
hot.
figure of 6? Someone said something about like playing you. He's like some guy down the table. I didn't know he was good. Probably it's a regional type. Yeah. Can't be too bad. So true. Yeah, it'll have a couple of delays though.
That's probably for the best, honestly.
Someone in the comments.
We're intimidated by how much money he has.
I got $30.
No. Hey, is that adding to the pool?
That's not me. That's someone in the comments.
I know. Is that they adding to the pool?
You can ask him.
I technically can, but who's my moderators, bro? Evan, ain't you a moderator? I can't remember. I don't get to stream that often. What about the footboard? This is rough. This is all going under testing.
Oh yeah, no, it did.
Kind of hurt right now.
In phase.
Yeah.
What the hell is this?
I silenced it.
Okay.
He's checking the string.
Yeah, he was.
Hey, that's in the hand, baby.
See what the hand is real quick.
Do you have anything in draw?
No. We'll move to game 2.
Oh my lordy.
Alright.
The gimmick
Alright,
fucking
first
real.
off. Only thing different?
You were fine.
100% here.
He'd have been like, don't worry, I got my boys too. When I don't show up, just tell them I did them a favor.
You choose.
I'll
Tell
go
them I got to
first.
play for free.
I'm gonna attempt to.
They loosen anyway, I got it, it's on me.
Stand by.
Yeah.
Man. Cost.
What's the hand? I didn't see.
No, the hand's broken.
Oh my god. 6?
6. Yep.
All right. I got 10 on cash. You want 10 on flu?
Yeah, I got 10 on flu.
Already making my money back. What's the first one?
Ogre.
It looked very weird.
He's playing double rise, right?
He probably plays as Iris then, maybe.
Means his hands pretty.
I know, that one's a little saucy.
On res.
Fuck it. He's got the gamma, he's got the gamma.
Do not. So that is good. Just play it.
Yeah. You like the way the card looks?
Yeah. I do. Anything?
No.
Sure. It makes sense now.
Yeah, it does.
I know! I was like, it's decent against cash, really good against flu.
Yeah.
Put it in.
So he has rise heart and an unknown. Yeah? Sure.
Yep. Now we just hope it's not both Alves. I lost the game like that at Vegas.
Well, if they knock us, we're done. If they knock us out, we're done. These two are done. No.
Vanish just could have been better.
Pass.
Yes. An attempt to.
Stay my man.
Mm-hmm.
It's great games, you know. Bro, you know,
Nothing in hand.
Nope.
Bro, if you had those pot of greeds, a little jar, just throw the money in there. Yo, what about a weekly? Like, nah, they can't do that, can they?
Mandatory.
It's pretty obvious how it started. Yeah. Mandatory. You like,
No,
give me your
expect to beat
soul.
the shit out of him with the driver.
That man said,
Had Brandon Fusion kill you?
Mm-hmm.
he said, yeah, show me, bro. I ain't taking no ass whooping laying down.
He's got no cards in hand. He's got fucking everything. Bro, that bird's about to go away. He doesn't have a cash gear monster though. So.
Yeah.
Let him cheat.
Come on, Judge.
Hey, someone pay the judge.
Come on, Todd. Money.
Nah, not me, bro. What you talking about? I ain't in the game. My man gotta play to win.
Man, he didn't back down off the ad Brandon Fusion kill you.
No.
He was like, oh,
Effect.
It's like, would I pay for accepting a bribe if somebody
I think we just make it for that, right?
or accept $3?
No.
Whatever you were saying earlier.
100%. Easily, yeah. 100%.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Battle phase.
Yeah.
Alright, we never preemptively